Hello and welcome to Enrico Design. As you can see, my shop is a mess. Let's do something about it, huh? So I bought a lot of screws. It's M3 times 8mm, 12mm, 16mm, and it's for a project I'm doing where I'm building a new set axis for my indie mill, Cindy mill. It's a Cindy mill variation of the set axis. I'll get back to that. But I bought some on AliExpress and also some M3 T-nuts to fix all together. That'll come in another video. But I need to sort it all, so let's do that.